Are you a pastel lover who you love pastel work but you don't know how to go about it? Whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced artist, or you just want to start your career as an artist, welcome to Dasunnex Art and Tutorial. Here I explain the basic tools I use and the method of my work so that to help enlighten the upcoming artists that have interest in past their work. So usually this is how I do my works. After having the sketch of the work, then I study the skin tone of the character. Then I start to apply the colors as you can see it here. Alright, so if you have any problem or question that you want to ask me, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you stay a little well, I can still explain more. If you're not here, I'm a little bit fast and I'm just trying to fish out the basic idea so that you can also you know roll with me. So let's keep moving as we develop into the work you understand more. So after drawing this girl, this picture speak a lot. It shows the love of a mother and a daughter together. So drawing picture uh, or painting picture like this give me a lot of expressions. It really depicts the love of a mother and a child. So if it's your first time coming across this page or channel, do well and subscribe and stay tuned for more art and tutorial. Yeah, so the background, the reason why I always put the background first, because if I put the background work, I've already uh, cycle around the figures, so it's give me more understanding and the types of color that can go into the characters and bring them up more. So just the reason when using the background before sometimes applying this thing. So thank you. See you in my